Welcome back to Trending Cars, the place where we bring you the most exciting and in-depth reviews of the world's latest vehicles. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you, because we are diving into the future of travel and adventure with the all-new 2026 Ford Motorhome. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, designed for those who dream of freedom on the road, comfort wherever they park, and performance that never compromises. The moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 Ford Motorhome, you realize it is not just another RV. Friends, Ford has poured design language from its modern trucks and SUVs into this masterpiece, and the result is a motorhome that looks both stylish and commanding. The front carries Ford's bold new grille design with active shutters for aerodynamics, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights that automatically adjust to road conditions. The body panels are sculpted for smooth airflow, helping both fuel efficiency and stability on highways. The sides feature sleek sliding modules that extend to create extra interior space, while the roof is available with a fully integrated solar system that can generate up to 800 watts of clean energy. The 20-inch diamond-cut alloy, wheels, and muscular stance make it look like a powerful SUV on steroids, while the rear comes with signature LED tail lamps, a ladder for roof access, and multiple storage compartments for gear and essentials. Step inside, and the magic truly begins. Ford has crafted the interior of this motorhome with a focus on space, light, and comfort. The entry opens into a wide lounge area with a modular sofa that doubles as a bed, paired with a collapsible dining table. The panoramic windows are massive, bringing in natural light during the day and offering stunning views of your camping spot at night. Every corner feels premium, with soft leather seating, natural wood accents, and customizable LED ambient lighting. The driver's cockpit feels like you're sitting in a luxury SUV, equipped with the latest Sync 5 infotainment system. The 15-inch central touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and even offline maps optimized for RV routes. The digital cluster shows everything from speed and navigation to tire pressures, battery status, water tanks, and solar charging updates. Driving a motorhome has never felt this futuristic, especially with advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot detection, trailer sway control, and a full 360-degree camera view. Moving into the living space, you'll find the kitchen built like a compact luxury apartment. A full-sized fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and deep stainless steel sink mean you can cook real meals on the road. Big road. The pull-out pantry, hidden cabinets, and solid surface countertops show Ford's attention to detail. Everything is designed to maximize storage without wasting space. The bedroom is where the Ford Motorhome truly pampers you. A queen-size bed with memory foam, wireless charging built into the nightstands, and overhead reading lights make it as cozy as a home bedroom. Families can choose optional bunk beds, and there's an underbed storage system for extra luggage. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, with a stand-up shower, porcelain toilet, and a luxury vanity sink with LED backlighting. Optional heated floors and water-saving tech make it practical and premium at the same time. Performance is where Ford proves that this motorhome is not just about looks and comfort, but also about driving confidence. Under the hood, you get a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine producing over 400 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. It feels powerful enough to conquer steep mountain roads without breaking a sweat. For the eco-conscious, Ford also offers a hybrid variant, combining the EcoBoost engine with an electric motor for extra torque and improved fuel efficiency. On pure electric mode, you can even glide silently through campgrounds or city streets for short distances, making it a truly modern travel machine. The chassis has been specially engineered for stability and comfort. Independent front suspension and multi-leaf rear springs ensure a smooth ride, while the all-wheel drive system gives confidence on muddy trails or snowy passes. With towing capacity reaching up to 7,000 pounds, you can bring along bikes, boats, or even an extra trailer without worry. When it comes to pricing, Ford has aimed to balance luxury with accessibility. The base model of the 2026 Ford Motorhome is expected to start around $145,000, offering all the essentials in a modern package. Mid-level trims with added comfort features and extended solar capability go for around $165,000, while the fully loaded top-tier model with hybrid powertrain, luxury interiors, and advanced tech can reach up to $190,000. While not cheap, it positions itself strongly against luxury competitors, giving buyers a perfect balance of value, innovation, and comfort. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is not just transportation. It's your moving home, your adventure companion, and your luxury suite on wheels. Ford has successfully blended rugged capability with smart technology and premium interiors, making it an ideal choice for families, solo adventurers, and even full-time travelers. Whether you're exploring mountain ranges, coastal highways, or hidden camping trails, this motorhome ensures that comfort and reliability travel with you. So, if you are planning to take your road trips to the next level, or maybe dreaming about living the van life but with far more comfort, the 2026 Ford Motorhome should definitely be on your radar. Ford has once again proven why it remains a leader in the automotive world, not just by building vehicles, but by creating experiences. Thanks for watching today's detailed review of the 2026 Ford Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more trending car reviews and future mobility insights, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trending Cars, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and keep chasing your adventures.